Hari Om. Dear parents and children, the celebration of 75 years of Chinmay mission through Chinmay Amrit Mahotsav featuring the Gita Panchamrit initiative, which highlights 5 powerful Bhagavad Gita verses for daily spiritual practice launched in the late 2025 and continuing into 2026 with events like global chanting and competitions, inviting everyone to embrace Gita's essence through simple learning and reflection. We at Chinmay Vidyalaya English Medium Chain Rourkela are dedicated towards understanding such nectars of wisdom and spreading them across every sphere of humanity. Have you ever felt life is just an endless to do list? We rush through our days, eat on the go, work without pause, and end up feeling empty. We tell ourselves, I'll be peaceful someday, after retirement, after a vacation. But Gita Panchamrit gives us a radical truth. Peace doesn't need a vacation, it needs a change of attitude. Lord Krishna reveals this secret in Bhagavad Gita, chapter 9, 27th verse. Yat karoshi yadasnasi, yat juhoshi dadatsi yata, yat tapasyasi kaunteya, tat kurushva madarpanam. Krishna isn't asking us to escape life. He asks us to offer life. 5 simple offerings transform everything. Yat karoshi, your work. Do your duty as an offering. Work stress fades when ego steps aside. Yat as ashnasi, your food. Eat with awareness. Nourishing the body becomes worship. Yaj juhoshi, your sacrifices. Every apology, every selfless act is your personal yajna. Dadatsiyata, your giving. Give without I. Let God give through you. Yat tapasyasi, your endurance. Offer your pain, struggles, then refine, not break you. Pujya Gurudev Swami Chinmayananda said, our suffering comes from split life. Spiritual on Sunday, stressed on Monday. Mad Arpanam heals that split. When ego drops, grace flows. So today, change nothing outside, just the intention inside. As you eat, work, or serve, whisper, Tat Kurushva Madarpanam. Watch, stress turn into strength and work into worship. This is the nectar of the Gita. Devotion means offering your every activity to God and feeling intense separation if ever you lose remembrance of Him. When works are dedicated and mentally delivered to God, it is called arpanam. Such an attitude metamorphoses the mundane activities of material life into divine service of God. Swami Vivekananda expressed his attitude toward work when he declared, no work is secular, everything is devotion and service. Saint Kabir stated this in his couplet, जहाँ जहाँ चलो करो परिक्रमा, जो जो करूँ सो सेवा, जब सोऊं करूँ दंडवत, जानो देव न दूजा. Wherever I walk, I feel I am circumambulating the Lord's temple. Whatever I do, I see it is as service to God. When I go to sleep, I meditate on the sentiment that I am offering obeisance to God. At Chinmay Vidyalaya, this very spirit of Arpanam is nurtured in every aspect of students' life. Education here is not limited to textbooks or examinations. It is a holistic process where learning, discipline, service, and character building are all offered to divine. Morning assemblies, prayers, value-based education, and selfless activities remind students that every action, be it studying, helping a friend, participating in cultural programs, or fulfilling one's duties, is a form of worship. Inspired by the teachings of Pujya Gurudev Swami Chinmayananda, students are taught to work with dedication, excellence, and devotion, understanding that when actions are performed with the right attitude, even ordinary tasks become sacred. Thus, Chinmay Vidyalaya transforms daily life into seva, guiding students to live with awareness, responsibility, and unwavering devotion to God and humanity. Hari Om.